Hi, I'm Julius from Lattice Semiconductor. This demo showcases a dual host processor module or HPM and single secure control module or SCM LTPI configuration using Lattice X03 device. This demonstrates how low-speed signal such as GPIO, UART, and I2C can be efficiently aggregated from a single SCM CPLD, typically from an embedded DC SCM module, to two HPM CPLDs via LTPI protocol. The user can observe real-time link status for both HPM on the screen. On this demo, it also features an environmental monitoring through the temperature and humidity sensors accessed through the I2C. Each LTPI links operate independently, ensuring uninterrupted CPLD functionality even if one HPM disconnects. When the second HPM reconnects, automatic link reestablishment ensures seamless plug-and-play operations, ideal for dynamic server environment. As an OCP solution provider and LTPI innovation leader, Lattice has enhanced its I2C aggregation architecture to significantly improve the throughput. In this demo, HPM1 uses the default I2C configuration, while the HPM0 leverages the redefined I2C table optimized for performance. Measured on the I2C transaction time, shows HPM0 is achieving 30% more faster throughput than HPM1, validating Lattice architectural improvement for accelerating I2C communication in LTPI-based system. Thank you.